Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is January the 19th, and on January the 16th, we planted our pre-chilled statice seeds, and they actually started germinating for us yesterday, and as you can see, they're coming up. Now, I'm going to leave this covering off here for a little bit, just so they can get some air, because the covering, because it's a plastic bag, it's not like a tight covering. So, I want to let them get some air and to dry the leaves off so we don't have any problems with any type of disease or anything like that. So, I just wanted to show these to you here real quick. And, these here, we're actually going to be separating these then, because more than one came up. There is definitely a huge difference when you pre-chill your statice seeds, so I definitely recommend chilling them before you plant them. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below, and please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. I hope you have a nice day, and thank you for watching. Bye.